She is British. هغه برټش ده. She is British. I am waiting. زه انتظار کوم. I am waiting. He broke the glass. هغه ګلاس مات کړو. He broke the glass. Don't cry. جاړه ما. Don't cry. He observed carefully. هغه په غور وکتل. He observed carefully. Give me support. زما ملاتړ وکړه. Give me support. The fee is due. فیس ادا کول دی. The fee is due. My village is small. زما کلی وړوکی دی. My village is small. Don't fight. جګړه مه کوه. Don't fight. I have experience. زما تجربه ده. I have experience. He did it himself. هغه دا په خپله وکړو. He did it himself. I like reading. زما لوستل خوښ دي. I like reading. Tea or coffee. چای یا قهوه. Tea or coffee. Use a medium size. درمیانه مقدار استعمال کړه. Use a medium size. The stone is heavy. کاڼی دروند دی. The stone is heavy. Begin the work. کار شروع کړه. Begin the work. I was tired, so I slept. زه ستړی وم. ځکه اوده شوم. I was tired, so I slept. One apple only. صرف یو مڼه. One apple only. Circumstances changed. حالات بدل شو. Circumstances changed. This is my domain. دا زما علاقه ده. This is my domain. He discovered gold. هغه سره زر دریافت کړل. He discovered gold. This is my personal matter. دا زما ذاتی مسله ده. This is my personal matter. I have access. زما رسائی شته. I have access. Asad is kind. اسد مهربان دی. Asad is kind. She is speaking. هغه خبرې کوي. She is speaking. I want to learn. زه زده کول غواړم. I want to learn. Draw two lines. دو کلی راکاږه. Draw two lines. He offered tea. هغه چای پیش کړو. He offered tea. I am sitting here. زه دلته ناست یم. I am sitting here. The palace is grand. ماڼۍ لویه ده. ماڼۍ یعنی محل. The palace is grand. His efforts succeeded. د هغه کوشش کامیاب شو. His efforts succeeded. Society needs peace. ټولنه قراری غواړي. Society needs peace. ټولنه یعنی معاشره. قراری امن. یا تاسو داسې ویلی شئ معاشره امن غواړي. The boat is small. کشته وړه ده. The boat is small. He takes tea. هغه چای سکي. He takes tea. hold my hand زما لاس ونیسه hold my hand today's date د نن تاریخ today's date this is original دا اصلی دی this is original look up بره وګوره look up he believed me هغه په ما باور وکړو he believed me یعنی هغه په ما اعتماد وکړو this is difficult دا مشکل دی this is difficult the conversation ended خبرې اترې ختمې شوې the conversation ended د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو لپاره د چینل پی ای ایوریون سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل د آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ نور چې کوم ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به په وخت خبرېږئ. تھینکس فار واچینګ.